Il-ġurnata dik kif għajjejt, ħanidħol fit Facebook, ħanara xi 4 posts, ħanara naqa x'inhu għaddej. Ħliftil, sparar, serq u gwerer ma tismax. Tgħid ħadd fittex xi ħaġa sabiħa, imma le, tispiċċa torqob toma qarsa. Għandi xewq għal xi darba nix f'dinja aktar sabiħa, f'dinja li kulħadd iħobb il-xulxin. Noħlu f'dinja li tħobb u tkun maħbuba. Possibbli li hawn nies li f'ħajjithom qed ibatu daqshekk. Possibbli li hawn nies li jbatu l-ġuħ u oħrajn jaħlu u ma japprezzawx dak li huma għandhom. Li hawn nies u tfal li jbatu l-gwerer kuljum. Li hawn nies li jkollhom jaħarbu minn djarhom u m'għandhomx libertà. Possibbli. Imma dawn in-nies, kif nista' ngħinhom jien? Imma jien x'nista' nagħmel?
Do you find it hard to sleep tonight, resting by the Christmas Christmas lights. Could there be something you forgot? Beyond the bows and mistletoe, the tree with presents wrapped below. There's more to this than you had ever thought. Have we lost the reason that we celebrate each year? What is Christmas if there never was a Savior wrapped in a manger? What is Christmas without Christ? Remember how the story goes. God's gift was wrapped in swaddling clothes beneath the star one great and holy night. The shepherds heard the angels sing. The wise men brought an offering. Peace on earth began in Bethlehem. Have we lost the reason that we celebrate each year? What is Christmas if there never was a Savior wrapped in a manger? What is Christmas if the angels never sang glory to the newborn King? What is Christmas without Christ? There'd be no Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo. What is Christmas if there never was a Savior wrapped in a manger? What is Christmas without Christ? This is Christmas. It's all about a Savior wrapped in a manger. This is Christmas because of Jesus Christ. This is Christmas because of Christ. Because of Christ.
Angels from the realms of glory, wing your flight o'er all the earth. Ye who sing creation's story, now proclaim Messiah's birth. Gloria, in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Kulħadd jixaqlu nħabba, kulħadd għandu jkun ferħan u maħbub. Ġesu għalhekk ġie fid-dinja biex jurina xi tfisser li tħobb u tkun maħbub. Ma jkunx miliet jekk int ma tħobbx. Ma jkunx miliet jekk int warrab lil barrani. Ma jkunx miliet jekk int tinsa lil dak li nsab waħdu. Ma jkunx miliet jekk int ħalli lil min jaqta' qalbu. Ma jkunx miliet jekk int twarrab lil marit jew lil ħabsi. Ma jkunx miliet jekk int tinsa lil anzjan. Ma jkunx miliet jekk int ma tħobbx lil proxma tiegħek kif ħabna Ġesu.